Hello learners, and welcome to the Literacy Lounge, a series about the tools and techniques that turn curious readers into confident writers. Yeah, I get it. Do you have any other examples? If a friend dropped a plate and I said, "Whoa, great hands."
That's mean, but it's exactly right. Situational irony would be like a message decrying social media posted on social media.
That same rose could represent secrecy or betrayal.
I can almost feel the texture of the dress.
Irony is so easy to understand.
The lottery,
The Raven.
the gift of the Magi.
The Great Gatsby.
That's the symbol, and the context is Gatsby reaching out, trembling with longing.
Analysis is what lets you go from I read it to I get it.
Love the clever rhyme. Makes it all just seem so easy. Congratulations.
You just got smarter.